in case you can't tell, we're going to be working on doing our fascia metal and our bird boxes. It's going to rain, so I'm going to try and get this done as quick as I can. I'm by myself today. Probably just going to do half a day. Got lots of different projects going on, so I want to go ahead and get on this while I have use of this metal brake. I borrowed it from a friend from 800 miles away, and he needs it back, so I got to get done what I can get done. So let's get started. Yeah, I got lots of prep to do before I get started. If all goes well, it'll fit. If it didn't go well, it won't, and then I'll have to modify it, but let's see what happens. I gotta have some more tools. Not terrible. Now to the other side. That gable was done, and that's how the rest of them are going to look. Love bugs. Love them or hate them. They irritate me. But that's how it's going to look. Took a little more time than I'd liked, but those bird boxes are always a little bit strange. Each one's a little different. So we'll just continue on with our socket. You may notice that I was pre-drilling these holes. I put these aluminum nails in. So what I do is I pre-drill them through the aluminum. Just a little bit smaller than the nail, not quite as deep as the nail. That way when I put them in, I don't have to hammer on them really hard and deform the head and knock all the paint off. We don't dimple the metal and make it look bad. And the nails go in a lot easier. So that's pro tip for the day. Well, this looks like a good place to call it a day. It's getting ready to rain, and by the time I get everything cleaned up, it'll be way past lunch, and I don't want to get caught in the rain. But making some pretty good progress. One more day, I think, and we'll have the rest of the sockets, or the rest of the fascia on. So hit that like button, subscribe button, and come back and you'll see, well, the finished product eventually. We'll see you next time.